Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Muhammad Hafizan bin Mustafa, nombor matrik 03 DET18 F1087. Penyelia saya Madam Rosmawati binti Abdul Razak. Saya membuat projek mesin pengisi bancuhan Bahulu. Introduction. This Bahulu filler machine is machine in mock, especially designed for small and medium sized industrial Bahulu manufacture. State of problem. The problem of making Bahulu is it took a long time to fill the meat into the mock. Second, require a large number of workers to fill the meat into the mock as they fill the meat by hand. Objective: can reduce cost, such reducing manpower from 4 to 2. Second, can save time before filling the meat by hand. Scope of the project: machine designed for small, medium-sized industrial shoulder motor. Methodology: komponen yang saya guna Arduino Uno, kedua L298N, ketiga switch. Block diagram: Arduino Uno motor driver, motor. Ini flowchart ya. Circuit diagram. Result.
Diri design lepas kita ya tadi kita pasal projek dia lah saya buat video kita makan video dia diri design lepas kita
This discussion: user does not know about this technology that able to help them to make Bahulu. Conclusion: people are more attractive with the system. Second, many of them are likely to try this system. When the system will be available on the market, the online marketing of this system make a shot either online or face-to-face suggestion. This is my milestone.